Hello friends, in this video let us learn how to create pivot table in Excel from multiple worksheets. Say you have data in multiple sheets like this and you are required to create a summary out of them. Let us get into the process now. First you need to convert the data ranges into tables to make this trick work. Select the data range and press Ctrl T or go to Insert tab and click on Table to create a table. This table will have a name like this as Table 1. Similarly, do this for the second table in the next sheet. Here the table name is Table 2. Now selecting any cell inside the Table 1, go to Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Dialog box will pop up. Choose the location as New Worksheet and in the bottom portion there is an option to choose if you want to analyze multiple tables. You have to check this checkbox, add this data to the data model, or otherwise it will not work, and click on OK. You can see here in this section it will show as Table 1 with all the column headers. If I collapse and expand, you can see the columns. I want this tab active. If I click on all, it automatically picks all the tables in the workbook. So what we need to do is mention the relationship between the two tables. Select the pivot table, go to Pivot Table Analyze tab and click on Relationships. Click on New, pick Table as Table 2, pick Relatable Table as Table 1, Primary Column as Customer ID, and it automatically picks the foreign column above if the column header matches, or else you need to manually select this column. Click OK. Click Close. Now let's prepare a summary report from both these tables. In the right hand side, Field section, drag the customer name into rows, and in the Value section, I am dragging and dropping the sales value. You can see the summary coming from both the worksheets like this. It's simple, right? First create tables, next create pivot tables and add them to data models, set relationships and then prepare the summary. Got it? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.